a purification, I know, because it's supposed to be you notice the faults, your own faults, and how much we've been offending God and the things that we do wrong, and to feel sorry for it.
Will everyone feel this warning at the same time?
Everybody's supposed to feel it, doesn't matter where they are in the whole world.
Even little children?
Yes, everybody they will feel it in their own, the different will be, the children they will feel it as a children's, because they're feeling, there will be a lot like inside, how they see the things.
And how will they feel it? Will it be something that you can see, or will it just be an interior feeling?
There will be an interior feeling, but I don't know if it, not remember too good if anything there will be in the exterior too, because I remember something they say like everything stop. It will be like for a moment, everything will stop. Everybody will notice how much we offended God. You will see the inside the oneself, the things that we do wrong.
Everything will stop?
They will stop that, but I don't know exactly. I just remember this word. It's like everything will stop.
You mean like even planes in the air?
No, I know asked that question like that, because I not thought about it in that time.
Well, what will people feel at that moment? Will they see their sins?
Yes, so each one they will feel, depending how the person is, they will feel frightening, they will feel very sad, because they recognize the things, they can see the things that they do wrong, very clear.
Will it be painful? Will it cause? Could people possibly die from this?
I don't know. I really don't know if that will happen.
But would it be like a painful thing for a person?
Yes. I think they will. I mean, they have to be a painful thing, because if we see what we doing wrong and how much we're offending God very clearly, we feel it in ourselves, inside us. I think it will be very painful.
You once said that before the warning, communism would dominate the world. Did the Blessed Mother tell you this?
Yes.
And what do you mean when you say dominate the world?
Well, I don't know exactly. The words it was they would take over of the world.
The communists would take over the world. And it would be every place, as far as you know?
As far as I know, that's what I thought, but at that time my knowledge was not too far of the world.
But the impression that you got was that it was, as a child, what you saw then, you thought it was everywhere.
Yes.
And what will happen during this tribulation? Will there be a persecution?
Well, she said that it will be very hard for the priest to say mass, for the people to practice the religion. And the priests, if they find out that they are priests, they will be persecuted.
And you also said that the churches would have to be closed. Is that right?
Yeah, they will be closed because they will not allow the people to go to the priest to say mass, or to the people to go there.
And you don't know how long this tribulation will last?
No.
Will the warning, what will stop it? Will the warning stop it?
I don't know. I don't know how much later after that the warning happened.
vivremo in te.